Okay, this series of lectures is going to cover color and all the nuances that relate color to effective data visualizations. The first set of slides is going to cover some of the basic theories and definitions, which are very important to know. Starting with some basic terms. Hue is the same as the color. Red, yellow is a hue, teal is a hue, etc. When you change how light and dark a color is, you're changing the shade or the value. Technically, colors are tinted when they're lightened, and then adding black creates shades of the color. Darker versions of colors are shades. So I should say that when you change how light and dark a color is, you're changing the value. Okay, and then we can desaturate colors, which mutes them. Full saturation is the color at its peak color band. This is also called the intensity of a color. And I always think that it helps to see things multiple times in different ways. So to recap, hue refers to the names of the colors, like red, green, or blue. Intensity, the purity or saturation of the color. And value is the lightness or darkness of the color, the amount of white or black added, including the shade or tint. So monochromatic means one color, monochrome, one hue and any and all variations of that hue. You can lighten it, darken it, desaturate it, it's still one color, monochromatic. So we're paying attention to color in this set of slides because color is often completely overlooked. When it's ignored, abused, neglected, color can work against you. When you use it intelligently, it can be one of the most powerful tools in your data visualization quiver. So the importance of color. Why or why not to color? We can use it to set a mood. We can use it to leverage intuition and pre-attention. We can control chaos and reduce distraction. You can focus attention where you want it focused and help create meaning. Remember those Gestalt principles? We can use color to create groups, right? And just to keep Edward Tufte relevant to our discussions at all times, he's quoted as saying, "Avoiding catastrophe becomes the first principle in bringing color to information. Above all, do no harm." Look at this. Winter 2014 to 2015 weather forecasts by state and Canada. Average temps and average snowfall and precipitation, well below average, well below, what? Average, above average, well above average. We can argue about what constitutes harm. It might just mean harmful to your sanity, as in this case. I have a hard time believing this map was made for anything other than a prime example of everything you should never do, ever. But I will trust that Matthew Holliday had good intentions. Yes, above all, do no harm.